Number 19 from the review. It says, write a proof to show the steps in solving the following algebraic equation. So we're going to do a little proof here. We want to write our T-chart. So we have our statements will be on the left. Reasons will be on the right. What do we start with? Well, we start with our given, and our given is always the phrase after the if. So we want to start with 4 times 2x minus 7 equals 20. How do we know that? Well, we were given that equation. So that is given. Now, we know we want to get to x equals 6. That should actually be the last step, the last statement in our proof. So let's work down to getting that. So how do we solve this equation? Well, we would start by distributing. So we would have 8x minus 28 equals 20. We can write that step because of the distributive property. Next, how do we solve this equation? Well, we would add 28 to both sides. Adding 28 to both sides gives us 8x equals 48. Why can we add 28 to both sides? That is the addition property of equality. Remember, if we add the same thing to both sides, or even if we subtract the same thing from both sides, that's still the addition property of equality, because subtraction is the same as adding the opposite. And we would finish by dividing both sides by 8. So we'll put this right in our box. Dividing both sides by 8 gives us x equals 6. We divided both sides by 8, but the property we actually write is the multiplication property of equality, because dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. And there is how we would show that the steps of solving that algebraic equation.